I'm going to go over O, ODFL, Google, and EBIX and give you some price targets for Monday. First up is O. We ended the week at $53.86. This is where we are. To the north side takes us to the middle of the trend at roughly $53.93. Above that, a gap forms to the upside at $54.46, closes out at $54.58. Two standard deviations and another level of resistance and a possible take profit area is 54.72. Above that, 55.11, and finally at four standard deviations and a possible take profit area, 55.51. To the south side, negative two standard deviations takes us to roughly 53.15. Another potential buy-in area, 52.76. and 52.36. The RSI turning up at 48 and looking left. Note this gap closed to the downside as I had previously mentioned at $55. It finally closed out on the 6th. And note the sell-off here at resistance all the way down to here, which then is support, and then it went sideways and then fell back down, back up, and then here we are down at support. I do not like how this channel is going down as well on the 5-minute, but there is some opportunity with O. The 1-year price target, $59.50. I am in this trade for my mom. The next stock is ODFL. We ended the week at $369.45. And this is where we are. To the north side takes us to roughly $377.79, $384.94, $391.52. This gap closes out at $403.80. To the south side, back at the middle of the trend and support, $363.92. Another possible buy-in area, $349.76, $343.03, and $335.75. Looking left, note right here near resistance, the stock started to fall apart, going down, and then a slight bounce here near support, and a bounce down here at support up to the middle of the trend. In this case, this takes us to resistance. All right, the next one is going to be Google. Oh, I might as well just click it right there. We ended the week at $134.99. The 1-year price target is $153.14. To the north side, this gap begins at $135.25, closes out at roughly $136.82, basically near the middle of the trend. Above that at resistance, $140.89, $142.85. I do not anticipate us to get to this level, but if we do, expect a sell-off at $144.99. But I anticipate a sell-off before that level. To the south side, a gap forms at $134.68, $133.09, another level of support and a bounce area, $131.21, gap closes out, $130.05, $129.14. And the next one I'm going to do very quickly is EBIX. I was in this trade. I talked about it on Thursday because on Friday I sold out. Let me move this right over here, there, to be more precise. I mentioned that there was a gap fill to the upside. This green box right here would close out at roughly $4.99. I set a sell order of $5. It hit that, and I did get out at $5. Again, that was a return of 29%. The day's high, though, was $5.12. I did not get it at that high. I put the order in the night before and I just let it ride because I did not recheck it, but 12 cents is okay with me for a 29% return. I purchased this at $3.86 and I will not be back in until we are back down here at support. Now, the next target for you is the middle of the trend, which is $4.92. A bounce from there takes us to $5.25, $5.41, $5.56, and I think this $5.60 is, yeah, I purchased this at $5.60 at one point and I sold out at $6.30, I think. No, I sold it here. And this lot I sold at a different time. I've been in and out of EBIX many times in the past. All right, that does it for me. I'm going to leave you with a look at trade ideas. If I can get this to reload. Yeah, I have this playing and it doesn't want to reset, but let me see if I can. Trade ideas. Tradeideas.com. All right, just hit this, search stocks, or actually just along here, and go to the stock momentum. And this is the stock momentum detector. I'm going to show you how the meme stocks ended on Friday. AMD, as you can see, AI, Beyond Meat, Pins, Made It, Snap. And the biggest losers are on this column, but I'm going to drag it in the S&P down here. There we go. AI, Coin, Snap. I remember tracking Coin in the $85 range. I'm so shocked that this thing has skyrocketed along with Bitcoin. Again, AI leading, Coin, Snap, GME. I recently did a chart for that. NVIDIA, I haven't talked about Beyond Meat in a little while. Intel, I'm in for my mom. Bank of America, I have that for her as well. And on this side, there's nothing I'm trading. Nothing I'm really looking at, although LVS was something I should check out. I haven't checked that one out in a long time. MGM, Dish Network. Back over here, Tesla, NVIDIA. But AI, look at that. Coin's still up. And boom, the market ended there. All right, that does it for me. Thank you so much for watching.